I am Ogampolo Iguma Jonah, and I'm from Edo State, from Igwe Hiosevaro to be precise, here in Edo State, Edo South. Well, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good because this speaks of the Edo culture. All right, it speaks of the Benin culture. It's a carnival program, and having this view, having this going on. This is the first of its kind, though, and I'm indeed happy that it's happening now, and we hope for other series to come up. Well, it gives this feeling of being home. Let me put it that way. All right, it's a kind of future meeting with ancestors. All right, so the feeling is a good one. It's what we want to see often. It's what we want to see often. I feel blessed witnessing this today. Absolutely, absolutely. Because as you can see a different culture here represented, different cultural troops, and all that. So it's a blessing. There are some of our kids that don't know their roots. There are some of our kids that don't know their roots, but when they are here today, you tell them, this is the Ugbaboneyimi. I believe you should know what that means. The Ugbaboneyimi dance, the cultural troops, displaying their things. So it's a thing to behold. It reminds me of the Obakenswa Cultural Center, because there are programs we do there, every year. So it's a good feeling.
What's your favorite thing you've seen so far?
Yes, it's the face of the carnival, the Edo carnival. That marks that was used, that they use in doing the publicity. So the feeling, the view of it, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love that. And seeing all the setup here, Edo State is doing well.
Do you think young people still value culture in today's world?
Well, young people, I'm a young man and I value it. So I believe young people value it so well. And it's what should be preached. It's what should be emphasized for them to value the most so they can take it to the next level.
If you could change one thing about events like this, what would it be?
If I could, I can't really tell. But for me, I think having it often, as I said earlier, this is the first of its kind that I'm witnessing, all right, in this kind of environment. So doing it often is one thing that I will encourage.
If in one word describe today's carnival.
Awesome.
How can culture bring people together in a time like this?
I didn't get that right.
How can culture bring people together in a time like this?
Well, culture in its own, it's a kind of identification, all right? Like when you see your tribe, presenting their presentation to it, so you see the clusters of such clans, being together. So discussing with their dialect also, so it brings ones together. It brings people of same culture together. All right.
Complete this statement. Culture is important because
it is the root of every being. All right. That is for me. That's for me. All right.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much.